Hey all, it's Jolene. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene and I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell and sew all this fabulous farmhouse stuff. I teach all about it here on my YouTube channel, and I teach how to do YouTube, some Shopify tricks and tips, Pinterest, and all of the crafting stuff. So I've been doing this channel for quite a while, and I just got back from having a month off. I took a month off because I was severely burnt out from all of the goings on, not only with my business, but my husband and I had some health problems the last couple of years. And I decided, okay, I just need to have like this big mental reset and to figure out what I really want to do. So, when you have a break, you're able to get quiet for a little bit and then just refocus, right? So I spent some time and I wrote down exactly what I wanted to achieve. And one of those things that I want to achieve is to be really successful at YouTube. And I am pretty successful right now. I've got 5,700 subscribers, I think was the last time I looked. Like, that's insane. Bananas. When I first started, I thought, there's no freaking way, right? Like, I kind of, no, that's not true. I kind of thought if I kept at it, like eventually I would get there. But it has been a huge growth year for me. And now I'm at 5,700 subscribers. And statistically speaking, there is no way that I cannot get to 100,000 subscribers, which has been my ultimate goal, like from day one. I thought it might take like 20 years to get there. I don't think it's going to take 20 years anymore. I think it's going to happen pretty quickly. And I really want to focus on that growth. So one of the things that I'm going to do on this channel is, on this side of the channel, you see all the business stuff, and I talk about how to grow YouTube and, how to market your products and how to make your products and how to set up your stuff for farmers markets. And I actually teach my individual products, like all of them. You can copy me. But I feel like I'm trying to get to know people a little bit better. Like, I recently turned 50 as well. And I feel like I could use some more friends. And I feel like there's a whole bunch of people on this channel that are consistently engaging with me as a person. Hi, guys. You know who you are, because I comment back on all your comments all the time. I'm like, hey, nice to see you here again, all that kind of stuff, right? Because it's great. And I thought, I wonder if some of these people would actually be interested in more facets of my life. And therefore, I'm going to have this paid membership portion of the channel where I share more of the individual things that I do in my life that are not always business related. So it's going to be super cash, and I'm going to share some recipes that I love to make. I'm going to share how I just recently got back into gardening. I've just recently got back into some golf, and I signed up for the Walkfit app because, as you can see, I'm getting pretty chunky here. I'm going to call this, just the residual effects of health, COVID, my husband's cancer, extreme stress, all the things, right? So I'm generally not this fat, and I don't like it. So I'm going to do something about that. So I downloaded the Walkfit app because I always feel like if you put some skin in the game, you're more likely to follow through with that. So as soon as I'm done this video, I'm actually going to go for my walk today, which is pretty exciting. But all of that's going to be on the membership side. It's a 2-tiered level. The first tier is $1.99. The second tier that's got even more access is $4.99. And I believe those are both Canadian pricing. So it's pretty much free if you're from the United States and you want to get to know me better and you feel like supporting the channel. That's what I'm going to do. So everywhere on this channel where you are on the actual page, you can click join. I will have the link in the video description and the first comment of this video. So come and join me for even more fun. I'm going to do some members only videos. We're going to have some coupon codes that are only going to be for members. So if you want access to that, join the club and let's go have even more fun in 2025. See you in the next video. Bye.